Yeah, guys, I just wanted to come to Walmart and show you that part that I was talking about. Look, $1.73. Basically, cut the part out that's bad, stick a hose in on that side, stick the other hose in on that side, and you basically just screw them together and they tighten up. I'm going to show you later on, but it's only a $1.73. It's called a hose coupling. Just in case you want to know, it's made by Expert Gardeners. Okay. Hey guys, remember I was telling you about the hose. I got a hole in this hose. I just turned it on. Let me show you. Keep your eye on it. Finna turn the water on. Look at that. That sucks. Okay. Went to Home Depot. Picked up that coupling I was telling you about. And what I'm about to do is show you how to fix a hole in your water hose with this Expert coupling bought at Walmart for $1.73 plus tax. All right, let me show you. All right, guys, see, this is not hard at all. All you need to do is just get your razor blade. This is rusty, but get your razor blade. Try to make an even cut. Works better if you put it on a hard surface. All right, I'm gonna drop that. Now I'm gonna cut this section off. Newport. Wait a minute. Believe me, it works better with a sharper knife, but you'll get the point. All right, bad section. Cut this off. Oh, you can probably just rip it. If you can't, get your razor blade or something. Pop that cap off. Yeah, I'm feeling stupid right now. Pull that off. All right, you get both ends. See what I'm doing? Unscrew that side. Take the hose, push it in. Push it in tight. If you got some Gorilla Glue, you probably put it on there and help glue it in there, but you don't need it. But push it in there. Same thing on the other side. Unscrew it. Take the end of the hose. Push it in real tight. Make sure it's all the way down in there. Okay, I just screwed up, guys. Keep watching. Got to put this on first. Like that. Then push the hose in. All right, you see that? As you screw it, that little white part you saw actually gets tighter on the hose like that. All right. Same way on this side. Just like that. Push the hose all the way in. See how it's all the way in there? Take the coupling, screw it on. Screw both of them real tight. Screw them till you can't tighten them no more. All right. I'm gonna turn the water on. Let's see if we got a leak. Look, y'all, no leak. That simple. Stay on there right now. And as you can see, water coming out the other end. $2 fix. Brought to you by Bonita Grass Central and BYD. I'll see you soon.